Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 11th July 2024. Adyar Ananda Bhavan, or A2B, an iconic restaurant chain, is looking to tap private equity funds to raise Rs 1,000 to Rs 1,200 crore by diluting about 35% stake. The Chennai-based QSR brand, famous for southern cuisine, is eyeing a valuation of about Rs 3,500 crore. Veda Corporate Advisors will advise A2B in its fundraising process, which is part of a drive to professionalize the family-run business. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has issued General Circular No. 5/2024 announcing an extension of the deadline for filing web form PAS 7. This circular provides updated guidelines and timelines that companies need to adhere to regarding the disclosure of shares and convertible instruments. Uncertainty over the election outcome and the union budget, coupled with absence of HDFC Limited, led to a more than one-third decline in corporate bond issuance during the April to June period compared to the previous year. According to Prime Database, corporate bond issuance fell 36% in the first quarter of the current financial year of 2024-25, amounting to Rs 1.88 trillion compared to Rs 2.95 trillion in the same period last year. Earlier, SEBI allowed equity-oriented exchange-traded funds and index funds to make any investment in the listed securities of group companies of the sponsor, which is in excess of 25% of the net assets of the scheme. Now, SEBI has decided that equity-oriented funds and index funds, based on widely tracked and non-bespoke indices, can make investments based on the weightage of the constituents of the underlying index. However, such investments shall be capped at 35% of the NAV of the scheme. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.